I think it's very, very interesting, both for myself and for the kids. One of the interesting things was that there are bicycles from all over the world here, from Italy, France, the UK, Japan, and other countries. So they learned that people use bicycles all over the world, and they're very useful. The school had a good idea to come here, I think, and kids can learn about the history of bicycles in civilization.
Bicycle is my favorite transportation, so I'm interested in this exhibition. I like riding a bike very much. I want to know its history.
我们上次的博物馆呢，讲的面积呢18000多平方米，产品光自行车一辆呢就达到了1300余辆。那么主要呢来自全世界就200年以来各个时期呢生产的自行车。